With compelling testimony in the Karen Reed retrial from the woman who lost her son. And it's the first time we've heard from John O'Keefe's heartbroken mother, who rushed to her son's side at the hospital. I'm Gene Valicenti.
And I'm Patrice Wood. There were so many tears in the courtroom today. Karen Reed is on trial again, accused of hitting John O'Keefe with her SUV and leaving him for dead. NBC 10's Katie Benoit was back in the courtroom today, and she's live in Dedham. Katie?
Jean, Patrice, it was silent in the courtroom as John O'Keefe's mother testified. Now, she did not testify in Karen Reed's first murder trial, and she told the court that her son was wonderful with his niece and nephew, who he took care of.
He's bruised up, his eyes were closed.
Peggy O'Keefe sobbing in front of the jury, speaking softly about the morning her son, John O'Keefe, died. The defendant, Karen Reed, was also at the hospital.
I hear Karen Reed yell, "Peg, is he dead? Is he dead, Peg? Peg, is he dead?" And she said, we went to a party. I left him there. I said, "You just left him there?"
Carrie Roberts picked up Peggy and her husband that morning after finding O'Keefe in the snow outside a home in Canton with Reed. She, too, fighting tears on the stand.
Yeah.
You recognize it?
Yes, I do.
Is that how John looked?
Yes, he did.
Roberts testified about what Reed's Lexus looked like. The defendant is accused of backing into the Boston police officer.
The taillight itself, the piece was missing, and as you got closer, there's a metal sort of square, and one of the pieces was sort of sticking out.
The defense, meanwhile, challenged prior grand jury testimony from Roberts.
Technically, I was under oath, and I did not hear Karen asked Jen to Google it.
And yet under oath...
But I knew it happened at that time.
And yet under oath you said you did.
Correct.
And that was a lie, correct?
Objection.
Was that a lie? Did you lie?
I did not intentionally.
But you did.
And
Not intentionally.
okay, that's the end of
Understood
this.
the question, Mr. Jackson.
Reed's attorneys claim there was a police cover-up in the case. The first law enforcement witness took the stand today to talk about the process of getting data off O'Keefe's phone. He will likely be called again. And another Canton firefighter took the stand today. He'll be back tomorrow. Live in Dedham, Katie Benoit, NBC 10 News.
All right, thanks, Katie. Be sure to look for my daily debrief with Katie and our legal consultants every day after 5 o'clock on our NBC 10 WJAR YouTube channel, also NBC 10 News at 7 on television.